And I need to stop you right now. Because 99% of English learners are making one mistake every single day on every single phone call. And nobody, not one teacher, has ever told them. They pick up the phone and they say this, hello, pause, that one word, that one nervous tone, immediately tells everyone, this person is not confident. In fact, let me tell you something that will shock you. A student of mine, she had been living in the UK for 3 years. 3 years of living there, working there, shopping there. And every single time, her phone rang in English. She walked into another room and pretended she didn't hear it. 3 years. In an English-speaking country. Still running from phone calls? Does that sound familiar? Have you ever let an English call ring because you were scared to answer? Have you ever texted back, sorry I missed your call, when you were sitting right there? Now tell me honestly, in the comments below, right now, type yes if you have ever let an English call ring on purpose. Type no if you always pick up. I want to see your answers. Because what I am about to show you will change your answer forever. Soft music begins. My name is Olivia. Welcome back to Olivia English Hub, day 2 of your 39-day challenge. Today, phone call English, 50 sentences. That will make you pick up every single time. Stay with me. This changes everything. Before we start, I want to show you one thing. Most English learners prepare for phone calls like this. They write everything down, word by word. They rehearse 10 times. Then they dial. And the moment the other person says something unexpected, everything falls apart. That is not confidence. That is memorizing. And memorizing always breaks. Real confidence comes from having the right sentences already in your mouth, already natural, already automatic. That is what we build today. Actually, stop. Before we start sentences, I want you to do something. Pick up your phone right now. Just hold it. Feel it in your hand, because next time it rings, you will be ready. Put it down. Let's go. One rule only. Repeat out loud, confident voice, clear tone, like a real call. Ready? Sentence 1. Hello, is this a good time to talk? Use this before every call you make. Sentence 2. Hi, I'm calling about my appointment. Doctor, dentist, bank. Perfect every time. Sentence 3. Could I speak to someone in charge, please? Slow, natural. Your turn. Use this. Office calls, customer service. Sentence 4. Sorry to bother you. Do you have a minute? Slow, natural. Your turn. Polite, professional. Native speakers love this. Sentence 5. I'm not sure I called the right number. Slow feats natural. Your turn. Happens to everyone, even native speakers. Sentence 6. Could you speak a little slower, please? Slowly, natural key. Your turn. Never be embarrassed to say this. Ever. Sentence 7. I'm sorry. Could you repeat that? Slower. Natural. Your turn. Say this as many times as you need. Sentence 8. Let me just write that down. Slow. Natural. Your turn. Shows you are organized and professional. Sentence 9. Sorry, I didn't catch that last part. Slow, natural, your turn. Natural, honest, confident. Sentence 10. Could you spell that for me, please? Slow, natural, your turn. Doctor, bank, office. Use this always. Sentence 11. I'll hold. Thank you so much. Slow, natural, your turn. Simple, warm, professional. Sentence 12. Thank you for taking my call today. Slow, natural. Your turn. Opens every call on a positive note. Sentence 13. I have a quick question if you don't mind. Slow, natural. Your turn. Polite and confident at the same time. Sentence 14. Is there someone else who can help me? Slow, natural. Your turn. Never be stuck. Always ask this. Sentence 15. I'll call back at a better time. Thank you. Slow, natural. Your turn. Graceful exit. Every time. Olivia smiles. Open loop. 15 sentences done. Now, I need you to comment. Which sentence surprised you most? Tell me below. I want to know. And sentence 22 coming up is the one sentence that saves you completely when you lose track on a call. Stay with me.
Okay, real talk. You are at the hardest point of this video right now. This is exactly where most people close the tab. Most people say, I'll finish it later, and never come back. But you stayed. And I need you to know, sentences 16 to 35, these are the ones that native speakers use when things go wrong on a call. And things always go wrong. For everyone. Even native speakers. These sentences save you. Every single time. Let's go. Sentence 16. I'm sorry, the line is a bit unclear. Buys you time? Sounds professional. Sentence 17. Could you say that one more time, please? Never feel shy. See this always. Sentence 16. I'm sorry, the line is a bit unclear. Sentence 17. Could you say that one more time, please? Sentence 18. I just want to make sure I understand. Sentence 19. So, just to confirm what you said. Sentence 20. I'm going to need your reference number. Sentence 21. When is the earliest appointment available? Sentence 22. Could I reschedule for another day? Sentence 23. I'd like to cancel my booking, please. Sentence 24. Final 15 sentences. These are your phone call power sentences. After today, no more fear. No more letting it ring. You will pick up every single time. Sentence 36. That's exactly what I needed to know. Sentence 37. I really appreciate you sorting that out. Sentence 38. Is there anything else I should know? Sentence 39. That sounds perfect. Thank you. Sentence 40. I'll make a note of that right now. Sentence 41. So the next step is, am I right? Sentence 42. Could I call back if I have more questions? Sentence 43. I'll make sure to have that ready. Sentence 44. Thank you